Hey Malana babes, and welcome back to my channel. And by the title, you already know what I'm going to be showing y'all today. This video has been highly requested and I couldn't wait to do it again. So before I get into this video, thank you for Malana's babes for being subscribed to me. Thank y'all for supporting me and all that good stuff. And if you're not a Lana babe yet, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe right now. It will mean the world to me. And whether you're subscribed or not subscribed, like the video right now. It's free, and subscribe because it's free. Do all of that. And y'all, I'm just hoping y'all staying safe. I hope y'all distancing and stuff, but you know, I hate getting into all that stuff because that's like, who wants to keep talking about corona? So let's just get to this video. Okay, so people always ask me, hey Tori, what do you use on your skin? Your skin has been clearing up, your skin is clear, all that. If you like been friends with me in middle school, my face wasn't all that. I mean, I never had really like acne problems, like bumps everywhere, but I would break out in certain spots, like right here, chin, a little bit in my cheeks, whatever. And when I started using a certain company, it cleared up. So I did a previous skincare routine, like that was like one of my first or second videos on this channel actually, and I ran out and my skin started acting up. I don't understand how much this company's helped my skin. And when I finally ran out, it's like my skin wants to act up, so I ordered some more and I am back in business. So let me show you what I ordered. So came in this box or whatever. Let me just start with shipping. Shipping was 2 days, but the processing time was a long time. Like I ordered it, I want to say, was it Thursday? I believe it was Thursday, and it didn't get shipped out until Monday. Now today is Wednesday and it got here this morning. So let me just y'all can't see where I live, but priority 2-day shipment. So it took 2 days to get here, but it was just shipped out on Monday. It got here on Wednesday, so the shipping was fast, but the process time was a little bit longer than usual. And it said that on the website because of the coronavirus and stuff, they had to really disinfect and all that. So yeah, this is what the box looked like. Nothing's changed. Hello beautiful, period. So it comes in this orange box. So it shipped with USPS, but my mom was like really pressed to open the package because she got something from it too. So she opened the box or whatever. So I opened the box. This comes right here. So this paper is just basically like what I ordered, the quantities of what I ordered. Let me see. So basically, this is what I ordered. Ordered a Rescue Me. That's like an acne treatment. When you break out, you put it on there. 3 times Sublime. It's like a wash, a scrub, and a mask all in one. I ordered 2 of these. One for me, one for my mom. And then I ordered the So Totally Clean Cleanser Toner. And then the Melt Away Cleanser Vitamin C. They just dropped a new Vitamin C skincare line. Not vitamin C, but like vitamins, period. Vitamins A, B, F, D, C. All these vitamins that's infused within their skincare. So they just dropped that line, so go and check it out. But let me just show y'all what I ordered. So in the box, they put these separate, and it was wrapped up in some paper, but my mom was pressed to open it. I told y'all. So they put this separate in a baggie because it's like liquid, like it just fell out. So this is what it looks like. And this does have salicylic acid in it. It is an acne treatment. I don't know if I can see what's written in gray, but whatever. This is how it comes. It is 6.75 fluid ounces, so it's a nice size. My other one lasts me about 2-3 months. I just ran out like a week ago, and I ordered that in January, and it's April 15th, so it did last me 2-3 months. I use this twice a day after I finish washing my face, or I use it after I put my mask on. You use it as you use witch hazel or any other toner. You put it on a cotton ball, and then you just, you know, massage it around your face. It's a deep pore cleanser. I've noticed a difference with this in my face. You know, my pores are really open and big, and you know, so I like get a lot of pimples, like breakouts and stuff. And my breakouts have reduced since I've been using this, so I definitely recommend it. It's an acne treatment. Helps clear acne pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. It helps prevent the development of new blemishes. So this has done wonders to my face, and I love it. Okay, next thing, the Rescue Me Acne Blemish Treatment. So you know, I break out like on my chin, between my eyebrows. I tend to break out right there, and I honestly don't know why. So I just really needed this. It's like an acne treatment right there on the spot. You put it there and it clears up your breakouts or whatever. So I really needed this. So this is Rescue Me Acne Blemish Treatment, original formula. That's what it says. You know, it's a whole lot of, I love how they design the boxes because it's a whole lot of information and it informs you. So this also has salicylic acid in it as well, 2%, and the toner had 0.5%. So this is a higher dosage of salicylic acid. So let's take it out the box and let's see how it looks. So yeah, looks like this in this little bottle. Excuse my mom, I don't know if you can hear her. She's ranting. She always rants. I don't know what she's talking about. I don't know if you can see it. Like, it's not focusing. Oh, but whatever. And I'm opening it. It's like, it's clear. So, no, it's clear. It smells like the toner. Like, it smells exactly like the toner. That's crazy. So I'm so glad. This is my first time ordering this, but I had that toner before and I loved it. And I just really needed an acne treatment to put on my breakouts and stuff. So I got this and I can't wait to use it. Okay, let's move on to the next product. Okay, 3 times Sublime. So it's a 3-in-1 blackhead wash, scrub, and mask. So you can wash your face with it, scrub like exfoliator, and you can put it on as a mask. It also includes pink grapefruit and jojoba. I hope I'm saying that right. I know you don't pronounce the J. It's jojoba, I think. But yeah, so multitasker, works with stubborn blackheads, remove excess oil, unclogs pores, and eliminates blemishes. So yeah, and it's a 3-in-1, so you can use it however, you know. So it comes with the little cover on there, so it won't spill out during shipping or whatever. So let's see what it smells like and how the texture is. It's thick. Yeah, it's real thick. So this is how it is, I guess. Yes, thick. It smells like fruit, like the grapefruit. Yeah, I cannot wait to use this product. I do suffer from blackheads in my chin, like in the middle of my eyebrows. And I haven't used an exfoliator in about a year. So I really needed this. It is important to exfoliate properly. So I can't wait to use this. And I ordered 2 of these, one for me, one for my mom, because my mom also suffers from blackheads. Can't wait to use it. Next product. Okay, so they also put the vitamin C wash in here. This is a regular face wash. I love the face wash that I had before, the Daily Foaming Cleanser, but I'm in need of vitamin C for my face to brighten up my dark marks. So I just figured I'd get this. So it's called Melt Away Vitamin C line. It's their new line. Triple Action Cleanser, AHA Fruit Complex, and hemp seed oil is 3.4 fluid ounces. Our all-in-one cleanser brightens, tones, purifies, and even removes makeup thanks to a complex mix of ingredients, and it's sulfate-free. So vitamin C boosts skin radiance, all of that. So I don't know if it's, let me see. So I don't want to I'll put it in this bag because I don't want to I don't know how it is, like the texture is. Okay, so it's like this. And it smells like, like orange peels or something. That's what I really need. I really need some vitamin C on my face. I'm really excited to try this new vitamin C line. And there's one more thing in the box, so let's look at that. Oh my god, they sent a trial size Best Face Forward Daily Foaming Cleanser. If y'all watched my last skincare routine, y'all know that I bought this. I live by this. I love this. So I'm actually glad that they included a trial size because I needed some more. I ran out. But I really wanted to try the vitamin C, so I bought that. But I'm really glad they included this because this also played a major part in clearing up my skin. And they sent 2 cards in here, so let's see what that's about. So this one is free trial size. That's what they included. And I get a 10% code for my next order. That's good. And, oh yeah, vitamin collection. I told y'all they just dropped a new vitamin collection. B, C, E, and F. And this is like what the vitamins do, but I know y'all can't see that because I can barely see without, you know, reading it. So that's all I bought. It was about $40-something. Wait, it ended up being, I think, I think it ended up being like low 40, high 30, like somewhere. I forgot what I paid for it, honestly. I do know shipping was about $7. It was $6.90 something. I think it was $6.95. Shipping was $7, and shipping took 2 days, so it really didn't matter to me. But let me tell you something. I am never disappointed with the skincare line. They help clear my skin up, and you know, I've tried, and I'm buying some new products. I'm going to test them out too. Formula 1006 never fails to amaze me. They always make my skin feel fresh. You know, like when I was using Neutrogena, Clean and Clear, Noxzema, they would do just a little bit of justice, but not like full justice. Like, I don't know, my face never felt really fresh and clean. My face never felt really at its clearest, honestly, until I started using this brand. And it's not expensive. Like, some skincare brands be charging like $30 just for one mask. So this is on the cheap side, and it works right for me. So that's it. Okay, so that concludes this video. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please, y'all, invest in your skin. You know, we're quarantined right now. Try a different product. Know what works for you. Know what doesn't work for you. So by the time outside opens back up again, we can all be clear. Our face can all be clear. Our skin can be clear and whatever. So y'all, please invest in your skin. I definitely recommend this brand. They amaze me. My breakouts have been minimal since I started using this brand, and that says a lot for me because all I do is break out. But anyway, I definitely hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you to all my Lana babes for supporting me. Thank y'all for watching this video. Please comment what things work for your skin so maybe other people can see it. Comment if you use this brand, or comment if you like this brand. Comment your experiences if you've tried this brand, whatever. And if you're not subscribed yet, if you're not a Lana babe, become one. Now, please. Now. The time is now. It's free. So what are you waiting for? And to all people who's watching this video, subscribed or not, please give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for our next videos. Bye.